Hi, I'm Natalie with Eminence Organic Skin Care, and welcome to another episode of In the Mix. Today is going to be all about any of you who are suffering with dry skin and have redness. So this is going to be a great mix for you for that type of care. And I'm thinking as the weather changes and anytime there's a season change or you're going to different types of climates, the skin is going to react in that way, and dryness is one of those things that does tend to happen. So we're going to be using one of our classics, our Linden and Calendula treatment cream, and of course one of our other soon-to-be classic is our Yellow Sweet Clover Anti-Redness Mask. So what we always want to do is we want to use Linden and Calendula treatment cream. Nice and bright. Look at that gorgeous color from the flowers themselves. Now, Linden and Calendula together are both great ingredients to be using to help with bringing down any redness due to dryness in the skin, and is also going to leave the skin deeply moisturized, so that's going to give you that plump effect. And then we have our gorgeous Yellow Sweet Clover Anti-Redness Mask, a little bit of a different container because it comes from our Biodynamic collection, and the blend in here from the sweet red clover also is going to soothe the redness that you do get from dry skin as well. Up to you how you want to put these two little guys together. I like to go, I love the smell of the Yellow Sweet Clover Anti-Redness Mask. Now you're thinking, Natalie, it's a mask. What are you talking about? Well, mask, it's a cream-based mask, as you can see here. So it's going to have that great texture, and you want to spread it all over the face. And this is why I like to use it first. So I want to massage it into my skin, and again, from all the way from the forehead straight down across the décolleté area, massage it in very well, because we also get dryness in the neck and in the chest area, so we really want to make sure that is also taken care of. And you want to massage it through. So I actually like to massage this one in till it's almost all the way absorbed. That way then you're getting that mask benefit and the moisturizer benefit to it. And then you want to go ahead and use the Linden and Calendula treatment cream, and you want to place it over the top. And again, massage this beautiful treatment into the skin. So Chris, don't forget your neck and your chest as well. And you can see you get this beautiful, dewy, and hydrated effect to your skin. So I really hope you enjoy this gorgeous mix, especially if you're suffering from redness due to your dry skin. I'm Natalie with Eminence Organic Skin Care for another In the Mix. If you love watching these, please click and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I'll see you next time.